Hey guys, so we have a quick unboxing here of my next daily phone, the Sony Xperia 1 II. Now I already did a review on this a few months ago. I'll put a link in the top right corner. For those wondering, some companies like Sony have you send back the review units, but others like Google have you keep them. So yeah, I did purchase this myself. Now this is the USA version, and I'm going to be using it on Verizon. Alright, so that was actually the Asus ROG Phone 3. We also got the Pixel 4a last week, and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra next week. So hey guys, tons of new phones for the next few months. But for now we have my favorite. Alright, so right on top we have the 1 II, which we'll get to in a few. Now there's not going to be many differences. Here we have some pamphlets, which we did not get in the review unit. We also have a charger, quick charge. A USB-C cable. And some headphones. This phone does have a headphone jack. Alright guys, so now for the phone. Now Sony did take a really long time to ship this. It was delayed by a few weeks. I've already been discussing that a lot on Twitter. But yeah, I know a lot of you guys are frustrated. Very frustrating wait, but fortunately it's over. Now I think there were a few reasons for the delay. So of course the virus, and also high demand. But that said guys, I mean other companies like Apple, Samsung, Google, OnePlus, I mean really the other companies are not having supply issues. So again guys, I mean would have been nice to have gotten this last month, but definitely glad to have it for now. Alright, so I'm going to put in my info, and I'll be back in a few. Alright guys, so I've been using the phone for the past day, and of course it's just as beautiful and nice as I remember it. Now, that said guys, I mean, this video, it's honestly a bit repetitive. It's pretty similar of course to my unboxing I did a few months ago. But the reason I did this guys is because I've had just hundreds of comments asking. I mean, normally I would not make another video like this. I would just unbox it myself. But I have had hundreds of people asking why I've not done any updates on it, which of course I can understand. But yeah, guys, this is the reason for it. There's a ton of hype for this phone. Our video versus the iPhone is almost at 1 million views. So glad to see there's a lot of demand for it. But still, guys, I mean, Sony, you know, they announced this back in February. It's all the way in August now, and I'm finally getting it. So yeah guys, hopefully in the future they improve, because most other companies, they get their phones out really like a few weeks after after they announce it. They'll have it in consumers' hands like within a month. So hopefully Sony improves that. Be sure to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, because of course I'll be covering this phone a lot. And also be sure to come back tomorrow, because we're going to be unboxing this. Alright guys, I'll see you soon.